This is Jeff Swano with Dig Right In Landscaping. And today we're going to show you how to apply compost tea yourself in your yard and gardens. I'm joined today with our own soil scientist, Mike Crucielli, and he would explain to you all the benefits of compost tea, but we've already done that on another video, so check that out on our website, digrightin.com. First, you need to measure up your yard properly. It's pretty easy, folks. You can take a measuring tape or paste it off. We just want to get the lawn space as one measurement and your vegetable gardens as a separate measurement. So once you have your measurements, you can call us with the numbers and we'll give you the pricing right there, or just come on down to our location, which is right here at 9900 Derby Lane, Westchester. Once you arrive, Mike will help you unload your car with your buckets or your backpack sprayers, and we'll head right on inside. Okay. So come on in. And while Mike gets your buckets or backpack sprayers filled with compost tea, we can settle up either cash, check, or credit card, and check our website, digrightin.com, for pricing. But if you phone it in, we'll have it already calculated for you, and it's that easy. Then Mike will help you load your car, and off you go.